What is going on, guys? Greggles TV. This is the Samsung Galaxy Note 10 Lite. It's obviously has the name Lite in it, meaning it's going to be a lighter version in terms of specs and design with this phone. Now let's talk about the specs that it's going to have in there. So first of all, you're getting a older processor. It's going to have the Exynos 9810, the same processor that powered up the Galaxy S9, which is now, what, 2 years old at this point. But other than that, it does run Android 10, One UI 2.0. It's got a 6.7-inch Super AMOLED display with a resolution of 2400 by 1080, so it is a 1080p plus display. Also, you get a 6 or 8 gigabyte option for RAM, 128 gigabytes of storage. Does have a micro SD slot for expandable storage up to 1 terabyte. The cameras are a 12 megapixel with optical image stabilization, main sensor, 12 megapixel telephoto, and a 12 megapixel ultra wide, so 12 megapixel across the board. Front camera is a 32 megapixel camera. It does have another cool thing. Does have a headphone jack on there, so if you want a phone with a headphone jack, you will be able to get that. 4,500 milliamp battery inside with USB and fast charging as well. In-display fingerprint sensor, and it comes in the colors of Aura Black, Aura Glow, and Aura Red. Other than that, guys, it's a phone that looks like it's not going to be released in America. So if you want it in America, you're probably gonna have to import it from some import site. But some of the, obviously the good things about this phone are that obviously it has an S Pen, so you can, if you're a big S Pen person, you'll be able to use an S Pen with this because it is a Note phone. The display is vibrant. I thought it would look really, really good at the event when I was using it at CES. It has the latest version of Android. It also has a headphone jack, so that's a very rare occurrence, especially with Samsung phones these days where they're completely getting rid of it on all their newer phones. This phone actually keeps it, but also keep in mind it has an older processor. It's not going to be, even though I used it, it was pretty snappy, it's not going to be, you know, an amazingly performing phone compared to some other phones. But otherwise, and it's also not going to be in every single, you know, country or place to get the phone. If you want it, you're really going to have to import it. But again, it's a Note phone. It's a new device, and so if you're interested in it and it's available in your country, it might be something you want to get, because obviously it'll be cheaper than the regular Note phone, and you'll still get a lot of that same functionality, and you'll get a headphone jack, so I think that's really cool. Anyway, thanks for watching. Let me know what you guys think of this Note 10 Lite. I also did a video on the Galaxy S10 Lite as well, which has better specs and will be available in America. So see you guys down the road.